What's up YouTube, it's your boy BattleTrader here. And in this new video I will talk with you about how to not give up on the trading, because a lot of people could have those thoughts. But before that, as always, let's open and analyze our first deal of the day, which is Euro to Japanese Yen. And here I want to invest my money in the price drop and the continuation of this drop from the resistance level. So let's switch to broker and open a deal with 4-minute expiration time and $1,000 on board for the price drop. And of course, switching back to the trading view for more detailed tech analysis. We will evaluate the main levels and strength of trends. Starting from the uptrend in which the price had the local maximum, the price turned around and the formation of the downtrend began. On falling volumes, the price entered a period of consolidation in a sideways trend, but here we can see that with the growth of activity, the seller volumes prevail over the buyers and the price staged to set a new level of support. It is how considered as a local minimum. Even with the recovery, the chart continued to fall, and here we can note by the level that we can expect a reversal and further fall to the local minimum. And now, let's get back to broker. And before we proceed with our discussion, I want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course to leave a like to this video. I'm sure that you do not want to miss my new videos that I am regularly sharing, because they include lots of useful trading tips and knowledge, so you better not miss it. And by the way, in addition to educational trading videos on YouTube, I also write educational articles in my open Telegram channel. In this channel you could find not only articles but also useful literature, educational posts and of course videos. In addition to all of this, I run trading sessions with the participants of this open Telegram channel, and those sessions are completely free, so you could have some extra cash on a daily basis. You can find the link to join it in the description of the video or in a pinned comment. This idea for today's video came to me from a member who texted me recently asking for help with his trading. He had become so frustrated with his trading that he was ready to throw in the towel and give up on trading completely. This member's story is very real, but I have changed the name to keep his identity private. You will probably identify with much of his story if you've been struggling or have become frustrated with your trading recently. Here's the plan of action I gave to this member to help him reignite his passion for trading and start improving his results. And as you can see, we got a pullback, so I will do a cover here with 2-minute expiration time and $2,000 on board for the price drop to make this a safer deal and to protect our entry point that we've done at the first. And now let's get back to our main topic of the video. So welcome Johnny. Johnny has spent years trying to trade. He felt like he tried everything, and after much trial and error, he was finally getting confident in his trading abilities. Yet, he still couldn't seem to make it work. He still wasn't profiting after nearly 10 years in the market. He was feeling jaded, like he was ready to throw in the towel and simply admit defeat and give up on trading forever. However, he wasn't one to admit that he wasn't good at something, and so it was a hard pill to have to swallow, that maybe trading just wasn't for him. Maybe he simply didn't have the genetic makeup for it, or maybe he wasn't using the right method. He wasn't sure. Yet, he still didn't want to totally give up hope. The same things that drew him to trading were still calling to him from the back of his mind. No more working a job he hated, no more bosses telling him what to do, no more sacrificing family time to work to pay bills, unlimited income potential. The allure of total freedom was what initially drew Johnny to the markets, and it has such a huge pull that it was just too hard to give up completely. So after reading Johnny's story, I sent him a detailed text outlining some psychological pitfalls I saw he was making, as well as outline of how he could get his trading back on track. And later in this video, I will share with you some of the points that I included in this text. The first thing that you should do is to remember what drew you to trading in the first place. How did you feel about it when you first found out about it? Just as in a marriage, to keep the flame alive in trading, we sometimes must stop and remind ourselves what we liked so much in the beginning. For me, it was the opportunity to truly be free, to not have to do boring work every day, to not have to be another drone, endlessly tipping in a cycle all day. And here I will make a small stop to pick up our first win of the day and move to our next pair, which is Canadian dollar to Swiss franc. And here I'm going to invest in the reversal from the resistance level and the price drop. So let's switch to broker and open deal with 4-minute expiration time and $1,000 on board for the price drop. And of course, switching back to the trading view for more detailed tech analysis. begin with, I will know the main levels, and from them we will choose the strong ones. We can talk about the global downtrend, so we'll look at the decline and setting of new lows. The strong decline started on the growth of activity of the increase of trading volumes, and here we can fix the price minimum as well as the global support level. After that, the price recovered to the previous level on the exhaustion of sellers' forces, but the buyer forces were not enough and the price continued to fall. Now there is a situation of recovery after working off the minimum, and the price has reached the resistance level in the uptrend, but the volumes show a leveling off, so I expect movement inside the working channel of the trend, namely a reversal from the level and further fall. And now let's get back to broker. If you want to learn from me or to trade together, I have a private channel for my team. And as a member of my team, you get access to my personal mentorship, lots of trading sessions, individual feedback, and more exclusive educational materials, and of course, the ability to copy me through social trading. So, if you want to become a member of my team, then simply send me a phrase "I want some honey" in my personal Telegram to receive an invitation to it. You can find the link to contact me in the description of the video or in a pinned comment. One of the primary reasons so many traders get burned out and eventually want to give up trading, or to do actually give up, is simply because they are trying to get rich quick. Obviously, trying to get rich quick in trading means you're probably doing almost everything wrong. It means you are probably trading too frequently and risking too much per trade, which are two things that quickly led to a lot of lost money as well as frustration and mental anguish. I strongly urge you to change your perspective on trading and stop trying to think you're going to make a lot of money fast. The ironic and difficulty part about trading is that to eventually make a lot of money at it, you must start out slowly and methodically and totally uncertain about making money. I know that everyone knows about trading plans and knows they should make one, but I don't think most people actually ever make one, which is a huge mistake. Especially in the beginning, it's very important you spend time writing out a trading plan and trying to follow it with a discipline. After you learn an effective trading strategy, making yourself boil it down and aggregate it into a comprehensive yet concise plan is something that will help you further understand your method, and then you should trade it. You will also then have a physical, tangible document to guide you and to help eliminate emotional trading mistakes. You have to stay accountable to your plan. If you break your trading plan rules, you essentially are proving to yourself that you don't have what it takes to be a trader, and to me, that is something I always wanted to avoid. I have always had a trading plan. At first, it was a physical and that I read and followed each day. But now, due to experience and developed skills, it is more of a mental checklist, but I remain disciplined and accountable to it. However, if you are new or ready to give up trading, you need to go through the process of making a physical trading plan, for the reasons mentioned above. And it was just a couple of things that I mentioned in my text to Johnny to help with his issue. So if you have the same situation as Johnny and you want to give up, or you have some other issues in trading, or you simply need a mentor, as I said, simply join my team, my private team, by simply sending a message to me in my personal Telegram channel with a code word, "I want some honey," and I will help you with everything to achieve you with the great results. And as all of you may notice, our second deal closes plus as well. So thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Do not forget to leave a like to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course to drop some comments. See you in a while, have a good one, bye.